Hello, this is Ms. Sting. Today we're going to talk about how to add a picture to your journal page. The teaching team uses your journal prompts to do part of your grade. You may not want to write on the Nearpod screen. You may want to write on your own piece of paper, but it's still very important for us to see your work. Create your journal entry. Once you've created it on your separate piece of paper, it is time to take your picture. On Ms. Sting's computer, the camera app is right here. You may have to search for your camera app in the search bar. When you find your camera app, click on it. Take a picture of your journal page. Cheese! Now click on the logo that has the mountain. It brings up this screen. We want to click on Browse My Files and our camera roll. Right here where it says Pictures, we'll click on Pictures, Camera Roll, choose your photo, add it, make sure it's lined up. Here we go, you can move it. Now that your camera and your journal entry is added on, hit Submit, the blue button at the bottom, and you're ready to do the next activity. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.